Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video I want to share with you this is a prize from a giveaway that I won, and I'm so excited. It's been long overdue. It took a long time to get to me, but I'm so excited. I want to share. This was from Modelone. They put out a very generous giveaway. It was on between Facebook and Instagram, and it was an over $200 value giveaway, and it is totally worth it. It really does appeals to its value. So let me start out with, if you remember, the biggest part of it, I had mentioned that I was going to swatch for you the Budapest Hotel Collection from Modelone. So that was the biggest part of this prize. Check it out, guys. So yes, all 7 pieces. This is the Budapest Collection that I cannot wait to do swatches for. The colors in here are absolutely gorgeous and perfect for the fall season. I cannot wait. I'm actually going to do, yes, my weekend mani is going to be out of these colors. Not sure what I'm going to do yet, but yes, I will have a separate video where I will show you the swatches of these gorgeous colors are in here. But yes, this was the biggest part of this prize. And then, well, let me go in here, and there's another thing that was included, was this teeny tiny 6-watt LED lamp. It came in this nice little box, and I have tested these type before, but there's something really neat and different about this one. Here I have not unraveled the USB cord right there that I noticed, but I have to show you how classy this is. Modelone, they really outdo themselves with their classic look. Let me grab something so I can kind of pop out the legs out of here. As you can see, it's got the 6 LEDs. So this is a 6-watt lamps, and I'm surprised how well these teeny tiny lamps are. I mean, these are the size of a cell phone. But I noticed, so here's it has a nice silver trim right there. This is where you plug in the USB. But then I noticed, I don't know if you can tell, if you can read that, it says push up. Look at this. This slice open. I'm going to go ahead and close it back. And you can put batteries in it. That is so cool. This is the first one I have of this a tiny little 6-watt lamp that holds batteries. So it holds, that's looking like three AAAs. Yeah, I think, yeah, AAAs is what goes in there. I have to test that out and see how that goes. That is so neat. That will be even easier and better for me to hold this like with my other hand and do some flash curing, especially when I do my friend's nails. So it has a 60-second and a 90-second button switches there. So yeah, super cute little lamp and so classy looking. Okay, so I put that aside. The other thing that was included in this prize were nail art tools, these nippers, very nice, and everything has their logo on them. So even on the nippers here on the inside right there, it says Modelone. Very nice, good quality. They have a good grip to them, and I have taken everything out of their individual, everything came individually packaged. Not very nice. So oh, it even has their logo here, their double X. Very nice. And I figure I'll keep this rubber for safety reasons. But very nice pair of nippers. And these are brushes. I was happy to get these too. So this is flat brush here. This will be nice for cleaning around the cuticle with the cover there. And see, it has their logo on their cap. And this one is a striping brush. I took the cover, it had a rubber cover around the bristles too, and I think I just have to get it wet there to get them together. There it is. It looks like a very nice striping or liner brush. We can never have too many of those. Came with its cover. There it has the logo, and it also came with 2 100/180 files and buffer. Check them out. Also with their logo and a cuticle pusher. Very nice. Something else that I can add to my collection. And here's something else very special. When I looked at this, I remember what it was from seeing the pictures, but it was so curious. There's their logo because it looks just like a lipstick. And you open it up and here it is. It's a dusting brush, but then here's what's interesting. So this, and it has their logo, it goes in so you can use the brush. But then I'm looking at this, I'm like, okay, where's that thing going? It almost seems like this is much wider than what it's down here. So no, I don't know how that's working, but super cute. Very soft bristles. What a beautiful presentation, beautiful packaging from Modelones. And thank you, Modelones, for holding this giveaway. That was very generous of you. There was also tons and tons. There's another pack. See, this is the type of packaging that each one of these individual things came wrapped in. But some of these gel removals, so for gel polish removal, I actually give these to my daughter because, as you guys know, I wear my gels over latex. And then last but not least, oh, actually I'm forgetting one last piece here when it comes to the nail tools, is this nail clipper, which, yeah, I have tons of these, but now, and this one has their logo there. It's black. It's a matte flat matte black finish there. Very nice. And I'm giving this one to my husband. Yes, he already claimed it, but I told him, well, let me borrow it for a second so I can show it off. It's my prize. So then last but not least, check it out, guys. So this, I thought this was going to be kind of like a makeup bag, but it is a nice sturdy purse. And it has this chain. This is, so it's kind of like a crossbody purse right there. This chain is heavy. Very nice, good quality. It's gold finish and it's heavy. The only thing, it's, as you can see, it is navy blue. I was expecting it to be black. I thought it was going to be black. But it's still very classy looking because it is a dark navy and it's got the liner right here. No pockets or anything, but yes, it will be nice for me to just throw my wallet in there and my phone and then just keep going. So I love this cute little purse, and everything came inside here. I think, yes, the only thing that didn't fit in here was the set of the polishes. But so that is it, guys. I just wanted to do a quick video, show my winnings, share with you. Thank Modelones for doing this beautiful promotion and giveaway. Guys, if you're not following them already on Instagram and Facebook, they are very generous with their giveaways. So, and then go to their website. I will have it linked down in the description bar below so you can register and get their announcements from when they're doing other giveaways, as well as sales and discounts on their polishes and everything that they have that they sell. So thank you guys for being here with me today. Look forward to the swatches of this beautiful collection of the Budapest Hotel. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.